Assalamualaikum and hi, Mr. Hazim. So before I the interview, can you introduce yourself first?
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Very good afternoon. So my name is Wan Muhammad Azan. I'm from Selangor, and then currently I am project engineer at Integma Sdn Bhd, which have based in Durian Tunggal, Melaka.
Thank you, Mr. Hazim. Okay, so the next question,
Okay.
on your opinion, regarding BM, code of conduct, what are the difference between a certificate engineer and a professional engineer?
Okay. According to BEM, okay, certified engineer, I think it's more to the certificate itself. So when you do some job, you need a certificate, specific certificate. So everyone can get them, and you just need money to have that. So if you are professional engineer, you are going through diploma or degree or master, you are more knowledgeable at the theory, but practically you need to respect the certificate engineer because they are more practical and more knowledgeable on something.
Thank you. For the next question, who is responsible for creating of a code of ethic in your company?
Okay, so in my opinion, in the company, is created by the head of department itself and the managers. So the employee need to adapt with the code of ethic so that we can ensure the smoothness of the company itself.
Okay, thank you for the information. So, how does your organization implement health and safety training to among staff?
So basically, currently I am in Tecma. We have a weekly meeting which we conclude the safety moment. Whereas the safety moment is almost the safety moment topic is about safety and health. So every week we learn a lot of things, and we learn from the safety topics, the health topic. We implement it in the office, so and outside of the office.
Okay, thank you. What would happen if an employee respect the ethic of the code of ethic and safety at the workplace?
Okay, so if an employee respect the code of ethic and safety, it can be harmful for the all the employees, and then the employee must be detained for his or her action, and we need warn him or herself to more respect about the ethics, and implement the safety at the workplace.
So this means the employee can be sued or something.
Yes, yeah, can be sued or can be banned.
So next question, how can engineer carry out their responsibility in an honorable, responsible, ethical, and lawful, in your opinion?
So in my opinion, an engineer need to, when we do some project or a task, we have the procedure. So every engineer, even the technician, we need to follow the procedure itself, because the procedure is created or being designed so that we can avoid any harmful, any bad consequences in our project, in our task. So by following the rules, following the procedure properly, step by step, we can ensure our work, our task, our project can be done in an honorable, responsible, and ethical way.
Thank you for the information. And then I want to ask you another opinion. How to ensure that the employee perform their profession responsibility in an ethical way.
Ethical way. So, when we want to verify that if our staff and our employee do some work, do some tasks in ethical way, we need to supervise them. Many of HOD managers are lack of supervising their employee or their team. So this may affect the project itself and then bring more bad consequences. So by supervising them, teaching them step by step, and then encourage them to do the project smoothly and following the procedures that have been taken, so we can ensure that the job can be done in an ethical way.
Okay, thank you. So I want to ask another question,
Okay.
which is kind of ethics relate to code of behavior. Are you aware of occurring in you?
I think, in my opinion, this I can relate to our dress code. Dress code is one of the example, because when we are professional, we are saying we are professional expert, so we need to dress properly. Okay. Yes, we know that this we can't be banned from if not follow the dress code, but it's professional and we need to show ourselves. We need to show professionalism on this, and then ensure our work quality give the top-notch quality contribution to our company, so that we can maintain our reputation.
Thank you for the useful information. Okay, and then how is environmental responsible address on the code of professional conduct?
So, in my opinion, the institution or a company need to ensure that every employee, whereas he or she is head of department, managers, or normal workers, need to respect each other. Okay, and then know their responsibility and their scope of work, so that they can focus on their responsibility and can bring related work of himself or herself, and then the most suitable environment that we must implement in our company, that we need to always respect time, because every project, every task has its the time due. So when we always respect the time, we can deliver a good task, a good project, and it can bring a great reputation for ourselves and our company.
Okay, I like about your answer. It's about time. Okay, so I have another two questions. What is relevant when an engineer tests the quality of fact and detail before signing it?
Okay, so it's more about we want to hire people. Okay, so the relevant from this action is we want to know if someone or the fresh graduate is suitable to our company, suitable to our company workload, our company environment, so that we not wasting our time, especially when related to some project. So this is the most important action for the professional engineer to hire the right person. Okay, he or his or her behavior, so that we can bring more, so that we can increase our reputation and then deliver a good work.
Thank you. Lastly, how does the code encourage continuous professional development?
So in my opinion, BM has prepared the best code for all the fresh graduate engineer, so that we can go through one by one until we get maybe the TS technologies or the IR title. So for the fresh graduate, it is a must to follow this code, this BEM code, so that we not wasting our time, so we can ensure our career development is growing, and then also the upper position as fast as we can. Okay, so that's all for the code.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hansin, for your time and for your contribution to this interview. Actually, I want to thank you again because willing to help contribute to my assignment.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Hansin.
All right.